The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 Mazda 6, and we've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp base roof rack system. Now this will also work on the 2014 to current Mazda 6 sedans. So this rack consists of the WingBar Evo load bar, 53 inches in length. This one happens to be black, silver is also available. The Evo Clamp foot pack that comes in a set of 4, and for this vehicle specific fitting kit 145249. So this will have a 165 pound carrying capacity and a crossbar spacing of 27.5 inches center to center. Locks are available separately. They're not required, but if you want to add a security to this, you can pick up a set of 4 and that'll lock this base rack system. So that's just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.